The Congress on May 11th sharply criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his appeal to citizens to cut fuel use, avoid gold purchases, and reduce foreign travel amid the West Asia crisis. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi said the Prime Minister's remarks reflected the government's failure after 12 years in power. He said that the centre was shifting responsibility onto the public instead of taking accountability for the economic situation. Rahul Gandhi referred to Modi's suggestions, asking people to avoid buying gold, reduce petrol use, travel less abroad, use public transport and work from home. He claimed these were signs of policy failure and accused the Prime Minister of being unable to manage the country effectively. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also attacked the centre, saying the government had earlier claimed the situation was under control while continuing election campaigns and roadshows. He questioned why the public was now being asked to make sacrifices after the elections. Kharge said the Congress had warned about the impact of the West Asia conflict on fuel prices, fertilizer supply, food security, and the economy soon after tensions escalated on February 28. The Prime Minister, while addressing a rally in Hyderabad, had urged citizens to conserve foreign exchange by reducing petrol and diesel consumption, postponing gold purchases, and avoiding unnecessary foreign travel to reduce fuel dependency during the ongoing global crisis.